Good day everybody, I'm Chef Aurélien Leguet, head chef at the Cordon Bleu Ottawa. I'm coming from France and I'm working in the food industry since now 25 years. I'm actually teaching at the Cordon Bleu since 10 years and I'm going to talk about my culinary training background. So I studied during 7 years in a cooking school in France to get a bachelor in culinary. And after I start my career in high-class restaurant during 15 years in high-class restaurant, Michelin star restaurant. Considering to study culinary arts, if you want to do a career that you love, first you will never have to work a day in your life. If your passion is for food and cooking, why not to consider to do a career and study the culinary art. Being able to create some dishes every day and experimenting flavor combination, and while seeing the delight on customer faces, it's what many young chefs dreams of achieving. Besides the passion, other factor to consider to be a chef is that we have a high demand across country. It's a fact that actually European trained chefs and great pastry chefs are in short supply in Canada. Also unique to Canada is the fact that due to its multicultural society, there is increased demand for chefs specializing in foreign cuisine, and especially for French chefs. It's opening some doors all around the world once you complete your culinary training and you become qualified. Becoming a chef, it's a brilliant way to travel, to meet people, while discovering a country's food culture. Becoming a culinary professional requires determination and effort. The hours are extremely long and the work is physically demanding. You need a strong physical endurance. You will be standing on your feet during long hours. A lot of stress, especially during peak rush time to satisfy the customer. And you must constantly be performing multiple tasks at once to stay ahead of the game. You need to focus, you need to be organized to overcome this obstacle. Don't forget, you will have to work during special events, Christmas, anniversary. You also need to be able to improvise. Improvisation is a way of life in the kitchen because you may not have the proper equipment or the right ingredient to do a particular preparation. Those who succeed and advance in this environment adjust quickly to the needs of the operation. You will need to work like a team, a collegial spirit, to collaborate with your co-worker. You have to help out others. I needed to achieve the common goal of the kitchen. It's the satisfaction of the customer. You must be aware of rapidly changing trends in the industry, collaborate with co-workers on a daily basis, and be able to talk to customers and industry representatives. At its core, the culinary art is a fundamentally dynamic industry. What kind of career you can expect after your culinary training? There are many different employment opportunities in the culinary field, both directly related to cooking, such as restaurants, hotels, pastry shop, catering, or healthcare, or indirectly related, including the teaching, the training, sales, the food styling, multimedia, beverage mixology, writing, research and development, and entrepreneurial ventures. In a culinary sphere, there is no such thing as a dead-end job. as you climb the ladder, you will discover increasing benefits, whether it's travel opportunity, partnerships, or business opportunities. The average time of training at the Cordon Bleu, it's around 9 months. 3 levels, basic, intermédiaire, supérieur, in cuisine like in pastry. Between each level, you will have to pass an exam to be eligible to the next level until you are graduate to the Cordon Bleu. You don't need any training before to enroll to the Cordon Bleu. All chefs will provide you the right material, the right knowledge to perform during your training at the Cordon Bleu. What can you expect during the training period? So during the minimum 9 months of training, you will get some techniques. So in cuisine, for example, you will learn knife skills. You will get experience. And if you continue in our more advanced program, like for example, the DCM, Diploma in Culinary Management, you will develop management skills. You will learn about current food trend to be able to open a robust business. So this program is specially designed at the end of the 3 months training in Diploma in Culinary Management to open a business, so a restaurant, a catering, a pastry shop, a coffee shop. What are the expectations after your training when you are going to start your career? So in terms of salary, the expectations are for a kitchen attendance around 30 grand, and to finish like a chef, it's around 95 grand per year. You will have to start from kitchen attendance, and you are going to get experience and to be a chef de partie, for example, which is the chef in charge of the part of the menu, the appetizer, the main course, the dessert. After, you can expect to be a sous chef, which is the person in charge of the kitchen who is helping the chef, and to finish your career like a chef, okay, which is ordering, food costing, organization of the kitchen. It's what you can expect after your training at the Cordon Bleu. Due to the COVID-19 situation, the business have to adapt. He's suffering a lot, but he is able to adapt to the situation. So the food industry continues to flourish, offering a constant stream of reliable job opportunity while adapting to the new realities. Restaurant and food industry owners have changed their format to first the takeout, the patio or curbside pickups. Some entrepreneurs have investigated innovative way of distributing their food products, such as food vending machines with fresh pastry, for example, virtual cook along an event. It's a kind of adaptation from our industry. And the most successful one is the online cooking course, and tutorials are being offered more broadly. The industry has adapted to the current situation and is offering a lot of job opportunity. Some advice I can give you considering to study at Le Cordon Bleu. It's when you arrive, it's to take interest, it's to observe. The observation, it's extremely important to be able to reproduce correctly. It's to listen your chef and listen any advice they are going to give you, and to be patient. This job required a lot of time to gain experience, so the patience is extremely important. Thank you.